In a world that's becoming more stressful by the day, who do we turn to when life feels overwhelming? In Australia, the answer is clear: psychologists. But did you know that becoming a psychologist in Australia could also lead to permanent residency? Let's find out how. Australia takes mental health seriously. From schools and hospitals to private clinics and the courtroom, psychologists are everywhere, improving lives. And right now, the demand has never been higher. With over 7,500 job openings and an average salary nearing 90,000 Australian dollars, it's more than just a career, it's a calling. Why study psychology in Australia? Number 1. Top global rankings: 8 Australian universities rank in the world's top 100 for psychology, and 14 in the top 200. Number 2. Hands-on experience: clinical, forensic, organizational, child and family psychology. Australian universities offer real-world training and placements. Number 3. Job growth: psychologists in Australia are expected to grow from 44,300 to over 50,000 by 2025. Number 4. Work visa advantage. A 2+ year degree equals up to 8 years of post-study work rights. That's plenty of time to build your career and plan your PR. Which are some popular psychology courses? Diploma of Social and Psychological Science, ideal for beginners. Bachelor of Behavioral or Psychological Science. Explore human behavior in-depth bachelor with honors. For high achievers looking to specialize: Master of Psychology. Diploma, Year 12 plus IELTS 5.5. Bachelor, Year 12, Diploma plus IELTS 6.5. Masters, APAC Accredited Bachelor plus IELTS 7.0. Majors you can choose in psychology: clinical psychology, child and adolescent psychology, organizational psychology, developmental or counseling psychology, social and behavioral sciences. Popular universities: University of Queensland, UNSW, ANU, Monash University, QUT, Macquarie University, Griffith University. Each offers unique majors, internship programs, and a clear path to registration. What careers can you pursue? After graduation, your career path could be clinical or counseling psychologist, school, psychologist, criminologist, researcher, or market analyst, government or policy officer. Whether you want to work in mental health, education, law, or corporate settings, you're covered. How to become a registered psychologist in Australia. Step 1. Complete an APAC accredited 4-year bachelor's. Step 2. Either 2 years supervised work or 2 years master's. Step 3. Register with the Psychology Board of Australia. Skill assessment and PR pathway. To migrate as a psychologist, get a skills assessment from the Australian Psychological Society. You need 6 years of equivalent study and IELTS 7.0 with no band below 7. Once that's done, you're on the pathway to PR. Step 1. 485 Post-study work visa. Stay in Australia up to 5 years, even more if you studied in a regional area like Gold Coast or Adelaide. Step 2. Apply for PR via skilled or sponsored visas 189, independent skilled 190, state-sponsored 491, regional provisional, or go the employer-sponsored route via 186, 482, or 494 visas. With the right points and preparation, your future as a psychologist in Australia can be permanent. Psychology in Australia isn't just a degree, it's a life-changing journey. If you're ready to turn your passion for helping others into a career and a future in Australia, now is the time to take that first step. Subscribe, like, and share if this helped you or someone you care about. See you soon in Australia.